Is your 2007 to 2014 Jaguar XKR key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Your XKR key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Consider eco-friendly rechargeable lithium-ion variants for longer life, but ensure they are the same size and voltage. Note that post-2020 supply chain issues may have increased battery prices by 20 to 30%. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized plastic pry tool to avoid scratches, a new CR2032 battery, and optionally an anti-static wristband to prevent electrical discharge. DIY kits with precision screwdrivers and pry tools are readily available and recommended. Begin by locating the seam on the key fob. Look for the natural split line where the two plastic halves meet. Gently insert the tip of a flathead screwdriver into the seam you located. Work slowly and carefully to avoid damaging the plastic. Slowly pry the two halves of the casing apart. Be patient and use minimal force to prevent breaking the plastic clips that hold them together. Remember to be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic clips. Also, avoid using metal tools directly near the circuit board to prevent static discharge. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old battery using your fingers or a plastic tool to avoid damage. Take note of the battery's orientation. The positive side with the plus symbol should be facing up in the fob. Now insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, making sure it's securely in place. Ensure the battery contacts align properly with the fob's terminals for a good connection. Remember, incorrect polarity, putting the battery in backwards, can permanently damage the fob's circuitry. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together. Align the edges and press firmly until you hear a click, ensuring the casing is securely closed. Test the fob's functions by pressing each button. Start with lock, then unlock, and finally trunk release. Stand near the vehicle and listen for confirmation beeps or check if doors respond. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. The positive side should face up. Also ensure the contacts are clean and free of debris. Wipe gently with a dry cloth if needed. If the fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, ensure the battery is new and properly installed with correct polarity. Avoid over-tightening screws during reassembly, as this may crack the plastic housing. For high-mileage XKRs, a completely dead battery might require reprogramming by a Jaguar dealer due to immobilizer system issues. Key fob technology is evolving rapidly. Newer Jaguar models now feature keyless entry systems that use Bluetooth or capacitive technology, completely eliminating the need for traditional batteries. This provides greater convenience and reduces maintenance. For owners of older XKR models, aftermarket adapters are available that can retrofit Bluetooth integration, bridging the gap between legacy fobs and modern technology. Looking ahead to 2030, battery-free fobs powered by kinetic energy or NFC technology are expected to become more common. These systems harvest energy from motion or use near-field communication, offering enhanced security and environmental benefits.